Have a good day, sir, madam. My name is Flerida Bacuyag Sola. I am 46 years old. I am from Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. I am a Catholic. I am a high school graduate. About my working experience, I have a 14 years experience. My first working experience, I worked in Hong Kong last November 20, 2008, November 20 to 2010. I served for family member, 2 adult and 2 children. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, car washing, tutoring, marketing, household chores. And my first priority are taking care with the children because of my employer are working together. I finished my contract. My second contract, I worked in Lebanon for 4 years. I worked last January 15, 2010 to January 15, 2014. I served 5 family members, 2 adult and 3 children. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, car washing, ironing, cleaning, and taking care with the children. Because my employer are working together. I finished my 4 years contract. My third contract experience, I work in UAE for 2 years. I work with a local family. I serve 5 family members, 3 children and 2 adults. My main duties and responsibilities are cooking, car washing, tutoring, cleaning, ironing. But my first priority are taking care of the children. My fourth experience, I work in Hong Kong last July 5, 2017 to July 5, 2019. I work with the Chinese family and I serve for family member.